Hello there, my name is Noel. I'm a 2004 Ford Mustang V6 convertible. I have decided to speak out against all you Mustang GTs out there. For too long you V8s have called me a fake, a poser, and yes, even a piece of shit. These hurtful comments are coming from my fellow Fords more often than from those piece of shit Camaros and Challengers. It is true that you GTs are faster, more nimble, and generally more fun to drive. But I do have my own advantages over you V8 brutes. I'm softer with my suspension, making me much more enjoyable for road trips. I get better mileage, making me easier on our owners' wallets for said road trips. I look identical to you much more expensive GTs except for my back end, which all you V8s can firmly kiss. I still outrun most imports. As long as they are running 4 cylinders, that is. But my single biggest advantage over you GT V8s is that my insurance rate is barely a percentage of yours. Where you GTs cause your owners lots of financial pain for a few seconds of pure pleasure, I give a steady stream of enjoyment far higher than my price tag would suggest. So I'm slower than you 8-cylinder minis. Does that make me any less of a Mustang? I'm good looking, make a great street cruiser, and cost a lot less in MSRP insurance and maintenance that I can put more smiles on many more people's faces than you expensive, overpriced Corvette want-to-bees. Smiles until one of you GTs blow my door sills off, laughing at me all the way to a speeding ticket. Where I then pass you quietly, laughing on the inside, usually, as my owner is rolling down my passenger window, pointing his finger and laughing so loud at you and your owner that I wish I could hide behind the tractor trailer. All this, as another fellow Ford named Vic patiently waits for his driver to return so they can catch the next cocky GT embarrassing another innocent V6 like me. Now my question to you GTs is this. If I'm the sales volume leader, easily outselling you muscle cars and bringing in more customers to our maker, that is Ford, does that make you any less of a Mustang compared to me? This argument is getting old, and your fuel tanks are running dry. So I'll let you run off, crawling through your twin pipes all the way home with this parting thought. My younger sister 6 are less than a second away from you in all acceleration test, and are easily your equal in all handling test when equipped with their track pack. All this and they get fuel economy that some 4 cylinders strive to achieve. What is that going to do to your sales, Mr. GT, since your prices have gone up above the 30,000 line and we are still in the low 20s? So once again, you GTs can kiss my back fender, knowing that my owner and most V6 Mustang owners will keep us longer and take better care of us than you, because we take better care of them. We keep them from going broke and getting into trouble with those Crown Vics. My owner loves me. Can you truly say the same for yours? Would your owner trade you in the first time a competitor raises engine output? Something to think about. At least all Mustangs can agree that even an 0.4 6-cylinder like me is easily a better vehicle than any piece of shit Chevy or Chrysler sports car ever built. With the Viper maybe being the only exception. It is good to be the American sports car king, or in my case queen. Suck my single tailpipe dry all you non-Ford posers.